So, should you get GoPro Hero 12 Black or Insta360 X3? In this video, guys, I'm going to compare both of them and tell you everything you need to know about it. So, GoPro Hero 12 Black offers high-quality video, buttery-smooth slow motion, and lots of different settings to play with, but you can only record one specific angle at a time. You can record yourself or the surrounding. Basically, where you point the camera is what you're gonna get in your final video. Now, in comparison to that, Insta360 X3 has two lenses, one from the front and another one from the back, and it can record 360 video. So, you can capture yourself or whatever's in front of you or next to you, all at the same time.
With a GoPro, you have to frame the shot, spend time adjusting your camera angle so it looks the way you want, and you only get one specific angle. If something doesn't look good, maybe you are not in the frame, then you cannot do anything about it, unless you reshoot the whole scene. Whenever you record yourself with a GoPro using a selfie stick, that stick is always there visible in your shot. It's not a big deal, but it's a bit distracting, because it's right there in the center of your frame covering your view. When you record yourself with Insta360 X3, you cannot see it. It's completely gone. What happens is that X3 automatically removes the selfie stick from your shot and makes it invisible. It looks like a drone is following you from afar, so you get that unreal third-person view perspective. Since Insta360 X3 records with two lenses, it can capture a much wider field of view than Hero 12 Black, and you can zoom out on your video to capture your whole body and more view in the background.
Unfortunately, with GoPro Hero 12 Black, you cannot zoom out on your footage. Once you select a specific field of view, such as Hyper View or Super View, it's gonna stay that way.
If you want to have even wider field of view, you can buy GoPro Max Lens Mode 2.0 for around $99. It basically gives you the widest field of view on a GoPro camera plus 360 horizon lock. But it's quite a bulky accessory and it's pretty easy to scratch if you're not careful enough.
So, both of these cameras have a remarkable video stabilization. When you record with it, you don't need a gimbal anymore, it's really that smooth. But there are a few interesting differences when it comes to 360 horizon lock.
Hero 12's horizon lock is only available in linear field of view. This setting removes the fisheye distortion that's typical for an action camera, but it significantly crops in on your image. It works great for cinematic shots or where you do a follow cam, but it's a bit too zoomed in to record yourself. Yet the biggest difference is that if you tilt the camera a bit too much up or down, it's gonna get confused and try to rebalance itself. With Insta360 X3, the horizon lock works both horizontally or vertically. Which means no matter how you hold your camera, if it's up above your head or close to the ground, the horizon is always level. But most importantly, with X3, the horizon lock is not limited to the field of view, so it doesn't matter if it's ultra-wide or not. Whenever you record a time-lapse with a GoPro, then you only get one fixed angle. So if you're out there recording a beautiful sunrise and the sun happens to be just outside of your frame, then you cannot do anything about it. You have to find out where's the precise sun location and try again. With X3, you can record a 360 time-lapse, so you can capture the whole area, and later decide how your time-lapse gonna look like. Maybe you want to make it static, perhaps you want to add some motion to it, or maybe the location is so beautiful that you want to have more than just one time-lapse. Having the ability to record it all gives you quite a lot of flexibility in here, and it's all captured in 8K resolution. It's pretty much the same when it comes to Hyperlapse. With the GoPro, you have to concentrate on the screen to control your camera angle, to get the best results. Notice that where you point the camera is what you're gonna get in your final video. Whereas with Insta360 X3, you just hold the camera up above your head and walk around the area to capture the whole scene.
With GoPro Hero 12 Black, once you stop the recording, this video is pretty much ready to be shared. You just download it to your computer or your mobile phone and you can share it right away. However, if you want, you can also use GoPro Quick app. It can basically create a very simple video for you with key moments, transitions and music, but it's very basic.
In comparison to it, with Insta360 X3, you have to reframe a 360 video, either using specific keyframes or you can let the AI automatically highlight the best moments and create a video for you. So you don't have to spend time editing yourself. The mobile app has some unique AI tools called ShotLab, where you can create some really amazing effects, which are all done by the AI. If video quality is the most important for you, then GoPro Hero 12 Black is a clear winner, as it can record up to 5.3K resolution in 60 frames per second, or 4K 120 frames per second. GoPro puts all that high resolution in a traditional 16:9 video. On the other hand, Insta360 X3 uses 5.7K resolution, but it does so in full 360-degree spectrum, so the image quality won't be the same as it has to cover more view than a GoPro. I recommend it for people who just enjoy capturing the best moments in their lives and just want to have some fun while doing so. However, you can use X3 as a regular action camera when you enable a single lens mode. Once you do that, X3 uses only one lens to capture a 4K or 2.7K video.
So GoPro Hero 12 Black costs around $400 and is basically a durable point-and-shoot camera. You can record high-resolution video such as 5K or 4K and record battery-smooth slow motion up to 240 frames per second. What you see on the touchscreen is exactly what you're gonna get in your final video. Now, Insta360 X3 costs around $449, so it is a little bit more expensive than a GoPro. But for that price, you get a 360 camera, and a 4K camera, so it's like 2-in-1. With 360 videos, you can capture drone-like shots with the help of invisible selfie stick, and you can use standard 4K single lens mode to capture POV shots. So the question is, which one of these action cameras gonna be the right one for you? Is it gonna be GoPro Hero 12 Black or Insta360 X3? Honestly, I like both of these cameras. It comes down to what you're gonna use it for. Personally, I think that X3, it's something different. Maybe not everyone gonna like 360 video, but you can get really creative with it. You don't have to frame your shot, you have 360 horizon lock and you can capture everything. Having all of that can help you get some really unique shots. And I think it's also up to your imagination how you're gonna record with it. Because you can shoot first and frame the angle later. And because of that, I think that 360 cameras are going to be the future of action cameras. Anyway guys, for today's video, that's it. If you found some value in my content and you learned something from it, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.